Dear students, welcome to my next class of pair of linear equation in two variables. In this class, we will see one problem from exercise 3.4, question number 2. In that, we have three or four questions. We will see the first question. Now, let's start the first one question in question number 2. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, we don't know numerator and we don't know denominator. So in this question we have to consider numerator as x and denominator as y. Student, keep in mind, a fraction reduces to 1 when you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Fraction reduces to 1, so that is equal to 1 he is saying. Then one more, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Let's solve. We have to find the fraction. Suppose, solution student, suppose fraction is x by y. Suppose fraction is x by y. In the question it is given, if we add 1 to the numerator, for us numerator is x. What is saying? Add 1 to the numerator. According to the question, I am writing according to the question, student. What is saying? If we add 1 to the numerator is x, and he is saying if we add 1 to the numerator, we are adding 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Right now denominator is y, and he is saying subtract 1 from the denominator, y minus 1. Numerator is x, add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So we subtracted 1 from the denominator is equal to, what is saying? When you add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1. So this value is equal to 1 he is saying. Which is equal to, student, x plus 1 will be as it is, y minus 1 into 1 will be y minus 1, which is equal to, I am keeping x as it is, transfer y to left hand side, it will be minus y. This minus 1 as it is, transfer this plus 1 to right hand side, it will be minus 1. So here what is remaining? X minus y is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 will be minus 2. Here same sign we add, sum of negative integer is negative. This we say equation number 1. Now second situation, this was the first situation. From the first situation we got this equation. Let's see the second situation. It becomes 1 by 2. It means fraction is equal to 1 by 2. Fraction is equal to 1 by 2. The value of fraction is 1 by 2. When it is happening, it is given if we only add 1 to the denominator. It means numerator is as it is, x is as it is, divided by, only add 1 to the denominator, y plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now cross multiply, student. 2 into x and y plus 1 into 1. 2 into x is 2x, y plus 1 into 1 is y plus 1. Now transfer y to left hand side, it will be 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Here student, 2 into x is 2x, y plus 1 into 1 is y plus 1. Transfer y to left hand side, minus y, and this 1 as it is. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Let's solve it. Equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to minus 2, and equation number 2 is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have to solve this, students. So these two terms, y term can be eliminated. Only thing is we have to change the sign. We no need to balance the equation. This is plus, it will be minus. This is minus, it will be plus. This is plus, it will be minus. So minus y and plus y get cancelled. X minus 2x will be minus x, student, is equal to minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3, student. So x is equal to 3. We got the value of x. Now substitute x equal to 3 in 1. Okay. First we will write the equation number 1, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. We will substitute now. X is how much? 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Now transfer 3 to right hand side. Minus y is equal to, here this minus and minus will get cancelled. Minus 2 as it is. Transfer 3 to right hand side. Minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. When you add, it will be minus 5. So this minus and minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 5. So we got x and we got y. Fraction we consider as x by y. So fraction is x is how much? 3 and y is how much? 5. X is 3 and y is 5. So fraction is 3 by 5 student. This is our answer. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my videos.